Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. Today's video is again regarding ticker symbol IDEX, which is for Ideonomics, Idex. And I made back-to-back videos on Idex, and if you can remember on my last video, which one on April 28th, you see we were sitting here and I was warning you that we have to wait and I might sell my position because I was predicting it will come back and it will touch the bottom black line here. And that was the whole idea, and I mentioned that I'm never bearish on this particular stock. I'm bullish, but I just want to get a better price. So as planned, I sold my shares around this area. Then now the share price has come down. So this is another good opportunity. So in this particular video, I'll talk about the price action. Should you get in or get out? When is the earning? What is expected from the earning? And also some long call option and overall about the company. So first of all, if you found this video useful, or if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So first of all, look at this one, and I was saying it will come down and see what happened. It went there, it came down, and I was saying if it comes down and touch the bottom one, the bottom black line here, then we can get in again. That is why I'm making the video again, because it looks like a very good chance. So starting from here, we are down by close to 17-18%. So why not get the same share price at a cheaper price, discounted price, because we all here are here for making some money, correct? Okay, so again, nothing fancy here, nothing new here. This is the pattern. It has been going up and down, but with time you can see the difference between the highs and lows are getting smaller and smaller, and it is making higher lows at the same time lower highs. So it has to explode either way, going up or going down. But what I'm predicting, it will go higher because they have an earning on 17th of May. And if you can remember, after their last earning, the share price jumped a lot, and I'm predicting again why it will go higher. So let's look at the price target, because the Roth Capital, they gave a price target of $7. So the current price is 2.6. So definitely this is a double up. So you can make 100% gain on this particular stock. But this is again long term. Do not expect after the earning it will shoot to $10 or $7. So when is the earning? As I told you, is May 17 is the earning. In this channel I cover Idex, and definitely I will be covering it during the earning time, so you can see the live earning call here, so you can subscribe only for that one as well. So what was the last earning? If I go to the last earning, it was really good. The last earning was really good. I will just go through few of the lines so you know what's that. So they said that we are very pleased with the transformation that took place this past year. Despite a year highlighted by COVID-19, we were able to build the groundwork for 2021 and beyond for Ideonomics, and we are excited for what the future holds. And what was the result? The revenue for the year 2020 was 26.8 million, with sequential quarter-over-quarter growth demonstrating the growing strength of the company. The EV revenue in 2020 was 19.5 million versus 2.7 million in 2019, which is an increase of 16.8 million, which is roughly 600% increase for the electric vehicle revenue, correct? And also the 2020 revenue included our first sale of charging and battery system as part of the EV ecosystem. So they are coming up with the ecosystem. So they have electric vehicle, they have financing, they have electric charging system. So they are coming up with a very good plan. And also they're talking about their margin, some of the biggest update and highlights. So this is nothing new. I will not go through this, but again, their earning was good. And the most important thing I want to mention here is in the last earning, Wave, right? So in the last earning, there was no revenue from Wave. What is Wave? This is a wireless charging capacity. So powering the largest wireless fleet in the US. This is Ideonomics, right? So in the next earning, all the revenue coming from Wave will be included, and I'm expecting their revenue will be again good and the earning will be good. And once the earning is good, what will happen? It will bounce up. But keep that in mind. Caution with this particular choppy market. Even though the good earning is coming, the share price is going down. So keep that in mind. If the earning is good, maybe it can be stable, maybe it can move a little bit down. But if the earning is terrible, by any chance this thing will come back to like $2, 2.25. So keep that in mind. This market is weird. And also with time we see the growth stocks, they are heavily beaten down, rising interest rate, US dollar issues, so many things. So the growth stocks are coming down. Also keep that in mind. So definitely if you're a long-term holder, I think this is a very good attractive price, 2.6, or even like if it comes to around 2.5 area. Or so definitely it's up to you. If you want to start some position here, I think I'm going to add more shares now. Will here, and with the earning I'm expecting a bounce back. In case it comes down, I'll just buy more. Look at the chart. It goes up, it comes down, it goes up. It takes time to go up and down, but we see less volatility as the time is progressing. So it means that people are recognizing this particular stock, they are looking at what they are doing. So definitely even long term, definitely it can go up to again 5.578 and again maybe $10 in long term. I will also talk about call option, a long expiry date call option. Before that, if you are brand new to Ideonomics, what is Ideonomics? So basically they have two sections. One is the mobility section, one is the capital section, and their featured portfolio is they have a wireless charging system Wave. They also have EV adoption in China, MEG. So they are acquiring a bunch of companies, and they are getting all the benefits from these particular companies. Then they have Solectrac, so America's first manufacturer of electric tractor. Then they have real estate and everything. And if you want to see more and more, you can go to their website and you can see their project. So basically Energica, the world's leading manufacturer of high performance electric motorcycle. Then they have the medium and heavy duty EV. They have the MEG, Mobile Energy Global. Then they have I think they have something with bike. Yeah, this is the one, America's first manufacturer of electric tractor, and the shaping the future of sustainable motor micro mobility. So you can see the electric bikes, and then the wave charging, and so on. And then the capital side is another entire side. I'm not going there, it will be a super long presentation. So keep that in mind. If you really want to know, you can go to their website, go to investors page and see all the recent news they are coming up, and they are good news. Trust me, they are good news. They're expanding. These are good news. The recent one on April 14th was like the Tree Technology Inc. deal to supply 200,000 e-motorbike to Indonesia. So the deal is in 2021 they will get 10,000 units, the next year another 90,000 units, and in 2023 100,000 units. The total deal value is 274 million for 200,000 e-motorbikes. So with time the deal goes on, they will supply more and more, and not only to Indonesia, maybe it can go to other places. So definitely go to their website, see what they do and everything. Now let's back to the call option. If you really want to buy a call option, I would suggest and I would recommend that do not buy a short expiry date, because the premiums are low, the market is volatile, and it takes time this particular company to go up. So take a long expiry date. What about you takes January next year, which will give you 259 days of expiration date. And also look at the premium here, it's not so expensive. So if you buy with a strike of 2.5, your premium is 1.2, meaning that your break even is 3.7. Look at the chart, can we go 3.7? It is around here. So it is very important to understand what is the support and resistance, right? So definitely one bottom support is around here, 2.25 area. I would say another support around this area. So the current price is sitting, so you see it was a resistance, then it became support multiple times. And what's the upside? So definitely around this area from where we were rejected, around $3, 310-ish area. Yeah, around $3, and with time as it will go up, then it will be around 3.5, and then as it goes up it will be around 4. So on the bottom side we have around 2.25, the current price 2.6 is around the support, so very good buy zone. But if it starts going up, I think it will hit around $3, 3.5, 4 with a 50-cent increment. So if you think it can go around 3.5 by next 1 year, then try to get a break even of 3.5. And definitely if you go with this one, 3.7 is the break even, you can go with that. if you want to get better delta, you have to go in the money. So you can spend, let's say this one is strike 1.5, your premium is 1.55, your break even is 3.1, and your delta is 85. $1 increase in the share price will give you $85, and you have 259 days. That's the awesome thing, right? So it's very cheap. Again, up to you. You can play with share, you can play with option. Sometimes option is better because instead of buying 100 share, you just buy an option, you ride the journey and you get out. But anyway, I'm not playing with option. Personally, I'm just buying the dips and I'm long. So I have bought around 200 shares of Idex, and once it bottoms more, I will just add more. So entirely up to you how we want to play. But definitely looking at the chart, it looks like we have bottomed again. It might come down a little bit, touch 2.5 area, then maybe it will bounce back. If we look at the RSI, is pointing downward, and also the MACD, the blue line is coming down. Most probably it might come down a little bit, but again look at the earning date, which is 17th of May. So with the earning, again it can pop. So you can grab share while it is tanking. At the same time, what you can do, you can grab more share. And the final thing, before I move, I want to show you the small thing here. So instead of daily chart, look at the 15-minute candle. And this is also important because I want to show you how it is forming here, right? So look at the chart here, and I'm gonna draw another trend line here, and I'm gonna draw the line, just connecting these lines here. You see, I'm making it blue here. So you see how we are going. So starting from here, 3.8, actually we are coming down. We are trying to break the line. You see the blue line, but we can't. But we are currently moving along the blue line. What can happen? It can just break the blue line and it can go on that side, right? Or it can come down here and then it can bounce back and it can go up again. Both things can happen. That is why keep that in mind. 2.6, even 2.5, both are buying zone, and I don't think this will come down more. But in case the market is terrible, set some limit buy order for around 2.3 area. So in case the market is terrible, sometime in the morning everything comes down, then end of the day it bounce back. So setting a limit buy order around 2.5, even 2.3 would be good. In case it comes down, it will be automatically bought, and then once it goes back, it will be in profit. Anyway, do not want to make a long video. Our time is precious, and today is 9th of May. So happy Mother's Day to everyone, and salute to every mothers, and definitely who is a mother here, or to our mothers, and also if there is anyone who will become a mother. So salute to all mothers. That's the only thing. So anyway, thank you so much. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this particular video. Take care and let's make some money. Peace.